Hello, this subject is marketing management, and we are going to discuss on the topic nature and scope of marketing. The nature of marketing may be studied under the following points. Marketing has various characteristic features. Marketing is a human activity. Originally, the term marketing is a human activity under which human needs are satisfied by human efforts. It's a human action for human satisfaction. All those things are done by human for human, man for man. All the activities in marketing are being done by man for another man. Hence, marketing is considered to be a human activity. Marketing is consumer oriented. A business exists to satisfy human needs. Hence, business must find out what the desire of the consumer and thereby produce goods and services as per the needs of the customer. Thus, only those goods should be produced that satisfy consumer needs and services are to be matched again consumer needs, and it has to be matched at a reasonable profit to the manufacturer. Though the marketing is fully based and oriented towards consumer, at the end of the exchange of the product or good, the consumers as well as the company should get value for the exchange that has taken place. Hence, the consumer will get satisfaction and the company will get profit due to the exchange that has taken place. Thus, marketing is consumer oriented. Marketing is an art as well as science. In the technological arena, marketing is the art and science of choosing target markets and satisfying customers through creating, delivering, and communicating superior customer value. It is a technique of making the goods available at the right time, right place, into right hands, of right quality, in the right form, and at the right price as well. Hence, it is considered that marketing is an art as well as a science. Only those marketing departments of a company which adopts the philosophies of art and those philosophies of science can excel towards success in marketing. If not, marketing will go towards drain. Marketing is a exchange process. All marketing activities revolve around commercial exchange process. The exchange process implies transaction between buyer and seller. It also involves exchange of technology, exchange of information, exchange of ideas. All this put together, marketing is a process of exchange in itself, where needs are exchanged to products and products are exchanged for price. Thus, marketing is a exchange process. Marketing starts and ends with customers. Marketing is consumer oriented and it is crucial to know what the actual demand of the consumer is. This is possible only when required information related to the goods and services is collected from the customer. It is the starting of marketing and the marketing end as soon as those goods and services reach into the safe hands of the customer, making him the consumer. Thus, marketing starts and ends with customers. Marketing is a creation of utilities. Marketing creates four components of utilities like time, place, position, and form. If you want to in-depth meaning of all these utilities, it says the form utility refers to the product or service a company offers to their customers. The place utility refers to the availability of a product or service in a location that is easier for customers to reach. By time utility, a company can ensure that products and services are available when customers need them. The possession utility gives customers ownership of a product or service and enables them to derive benefits in their own business. Thus, marketing creates all these four utilities. Marketing is a goal oriented. Marketing seeks to achieve benefits for both buyers and sellers by satisfying human needs. The ultimate goal of marketing is to generate profits through the satisfaction of the customer. It is only if the customers are satisfied he will buy more products of that particular company. Only then the company could earn more profits and reach its goal. Hence, marketing is goal oriented. Marketing is guiding element of business. Modern marketing is the heart of industrial activity that tells what, when, and how to produce. It is capable of guiding and controlling business. If marketing is not going to be there, and if marketing wasn't there, these businesses would have lost without knowing what to produce, when to produce, and how to produce. They would have gone into darkness. Hence, marketing is guiding element of business. Marketing is a system of interacting business activities. Marketing is not focused on only one single activity, or marketing is not oriented towards one single activity. Marketing is the system in itself through which a business enterprise, institution, or organization interacts with the customers with the objective to earn profit, satisfy customers, and manage relationships, which is very important for the sustenance of business. It is because of marketing that companies are focusing to have customer relationships. It is the performance of business activities that direct the flow of goods and services from producer to consumer or user. Hence, marketing is a system of interacting business activities. Marketing is a dynamic process, series of interrelated functions. Marketing has various functions to do, and without these functions, marketing will fail. Marketing is a complex, continuous, and interrelated process. It involves continuous planning, implementation, and control. Though it has direction, if it is not going to plan, implement, and control, businesses might fail. Hence, marketing is a dynamic process, series of interrelated functions, and all this constitute the nature of marketing. Moving on, we'll study what is the scope of marketing is. Scope of marketing. Marketing is typically seen as the task of creating, promoting, and delivering goods and services to consumers and businesses. In fact, marketing people are involved in marketing 10 types of entities, which in itself combine to tell what is the scope of marketing is all about. First scope of marketing is its goods. Any product manufactured in mass quantity requires proper marketing to make it available to its consumers located all across the world. The companies that manufacture the product are somewhere, and the consumers who want to buy it are lying in some other corner of the world. For example, mobile phones manufactured in China and sold all over the world. The second scope of marketing is its services. An economic activity performed to meet the consumer's demand needs promotion and marketing. It is because of not the goods the world is surviving today, it is all because of services that is in demand. The world needs so much services as much goods are required as well. For example, Ola cabs providing for local taxi services, which has become a need for the society. Hence, services are scope of marketing. The third scope comes in the events of marketing. Various trade fairs, live shows, local events and other promotional events need advertising and publicity. For example, Indian Fashion Expo is the event where leading fashion houses participate in displaying, exhibiting their creation needs, marketing to reach customers, manufacturers, and traders. Marketing gives experiences. It even organizes and customizes the impression made by certain goods and services to fulfill the customer's wish. For example, trips and tourist packages provided by various tour makers give lot of experience to the consumer, thus widening the scope of marketing. Persons are important in marketing. A person who wants to promote his skills, profession, art, expertise to acquire customers take the help of marketing functions. For example, a chartered accountant updates his profile over LinkedIn to publicize his skills and talent to reach clients. And sometimes the companies use stars and famous sportsmen for promoting their products as ambassadors. Places are of importance. Marketing of tourist places, cities, states and countries helps to attract visitors from all over the world. For example, India's Ministry of Tourism promoting India through Incredible India campaign. Properties. The marketing provides for selling of tangible and intangible properties like real estate, stocks, securities, debentures, etc. Real estate agents publicize the residential plots to investors on various platforms, be it on newspapers, be it on televisions, or be it on websites or internet. It is all there, thus expanding the scope for marketing. Organizations are corporations and non-profit organizations like schools, colleges, universities, art institutes, etc. create and maintain a public impression through marketing. Marketing creates an opinion about an organization in the minds of people through circulars and advertisements made by colleges and institutions like admissions are open, you can shine, your future is built here, something as such. Hence, organizations do have scope for marketing. Information being the scope of marketing. Certain information related to healthcare, technology, science, media, law, tax, market, finance, accounting, you name it, marketing has it. Have to demand among the corporate decision makers who are marketed by some leading information agencies. Any information that you want, you Google, you go search on Wikipedia. Such informations are available for a price. Bloomberg provides all current financial, business and market data. Such way you have various websites and there are certain consultants and institutes which share or sell information. And last, all the brands market their products or services through advertisements, spreading a social message to connect with the consumers. Most of the individuals in this business world are searching for idea for innovation, idea for change, and marketing management has continuously given scope for ideas to sow, to germinate, and for the growth of that ideas, marketing has always been a fertile land. Thus, scope of marketing is wide and it is getting wider, benefiting all the stakeholders in the society and the business world. Hence, we have studied the nature and scope of marketing. Thanks for listening.